Today, a review of some new mechanical pencils from Zebra. Hello everyone. Today is something a little different for my channel. I tend to mainly look at vintage and antique pencils and generally wood-cased pencils. But today I'm, I guess, straying from both of those things, and we have some brand new, or new when I bought them, maybe a couple of years ago, mechanical pencils from Zebra. I remember using some Zebra pencils in the past that, if I recall right, had a kind of a stainless steel or brushed steel barrel to them, and I rather liked those. But I saw these in the back to school section on sale a couple of years back, purchased them, set them aside, and have never opened them. Thought now might be a good time to try them out. So they are Z-Grip Plus mechanical pencils from Zebra. Shake to advance lead, so a different lead advance mechanism. I'm curious to try that out. It's kind of like the wristwatch my dad had that was supposed to wind itself just with your normal movements, or if you didn't move enough that day, I guess you shook your wrist and wound your watch that way. Maybe a similar kind of thing here. So we'll see how that works. I do find it curious that, where does it mention it here? Extended life twist out eraser. So they kept a twist mechanism, just not for the lead, but for the eraser. Well, that's curious. All right. Anything else here? Shake, shake, shake. Makes writing easy, comfortable, and fun. Why, you ask? Shake Advanced technology allows you to optimally advance your lead, minimizing the chance for breakage and making your writing experience frustration-free and enjoyable. We will see. It has a black satin matte soft touch barrel. It will keep me reaching for my Z-Grip Plus time and time again. Alright, so we've got a very athletic Zebra there. Let's just open it up and see how these are. This package feels heavier than I would expect for a package of 3 pencils. Must be extra eraser inserts, kind of good, and some extra, quite a bit of extra 0.7 millimeter lead in a clever dispense container. How about that? I like that. Too bad there's not a way to the erasers in there, because those will get lost pretty quickly. In fact, one of them just rolled away now. Okay, so as always, when I have a choice, I'm going to try out the green, but let's look at all 3 of them first. This translucent clip, a translucent stripe on the barrel, kind of classy looking. There's some heft to each of these. It feels like a rubberized or rubbery plastic, the entire shaft. We have the, oh, look at that. Eraser extends and retracts. That's kind of cool. Got to admit, if nothing else, that's a neat feature. I like this kind of amber yellow. Oh, you can see like a cylinder inside sliding back and forth. I don't know if you can see that. Matching band here near the tip. So to extend it, is there a way to extend it other than, okay, so it's a standard click as well. If you don't want to do the shake method. I like that amber color, amber yellow. The blue is nice, but the green, of course, is the best. Zebra Z-Grip Plus. Let's just get right to trying out that wish there was a way to... You have to shake it really vigorously. Okay. If you shake it in a horizontal orientation, nothing happens. So it has to use the gravity. It seems like that would do some damage at some point to the lead. Kind of vigorous shaking activity there. Okay. Let's get some paper and try this out. My handwriting is particularly bad today. It's a nice lead they're using. It's been a while since I've tried zebra leads, I think. I'm sure I could swap it out if I wanted with any 0.7, but these are certainly fine. And just because of the heaviness, you feel like you're writing with a pretty quality instrument here. So I kind of like that. The shake mechanism seems to be a little bit finicky. You have to have it in a certain orientation for it to work. But the click mechanism seems fine, and I really like that clever erase. Let's see how that does. It's a little clumsy sometimes when you have the eraser on top of a click advance pencil, because well, you don't want to be advancing the lead. I wasn't writing with very much pressure, but I did a pretty good job. Not bad. And you have spare erasers that it comes with. I don't know how much length we have here, but probably the same as the spares. That gives you any idea? Not bad. I'm probably not going to switch from my go-to, my favorite, my Old Faithful Papermate Sharp Writers. That's just my preference in a mechanical pencil. Much cheaper. But these are not bad. The Zebra Z-Grip Plus mechanical pencil with the Advance and Retract eraser and the Shake to Advance lead. If they're still being made, I presume they are. I only bought them a few years ago. Might be something you're interested in. Thanks for watching this review, and I hope to see you here again next time.